Alright, let's quickly go over how to thread a needle by hand so you can start doing some hand sewing, and then let's hop right into a little hand sewing project. So first, you're gonna take your thread. It's good to use a sharp pair of scissors to get a nice clean edge on it. A frayed edge will be much harder to thread through the needle. Now I'm just gonna take the needle, take one end of the thread, and just going to put it through like so. That'll probably take you a couple of tries if you are new to sewing. We also have some little guides that will allow you to do that a little quicker. Pretty much a little metal hook that'll go through the needle, you put the thread on it, and then it lets you pull it through faster. Now to actually tie off the end, because now we've got just two free ends of string going through our needle. To tie off the ends, you could try to tie a knot, but the thread is typically pretty thin, so what I learned how to do is you roll the ends together with your finger, and while keeping that tension between your pointer finger and your thumb, you're going to roll it around your pointer finger. Roll it up some more, one more time maybe. And then keep it nice and rolled, roll it off the finger, and then you just pull, and that will cinch the end of it into a knot. So now we'll have a knot at the end, a needle at the other end, and now we're ready to start sewing some stuff together. All right, and now once you have that, we can get right into a little crafting project.